Hi everyone, I'm Lexi Lutz, Director of Marketing at Plainsight. If you've ever dealt with defects popping up way too late in your production process, you know that experience is less than ideal. Today I'm going to show you how we make that pain go away with real-time anomaly detection, powered by Plainsight Filters. Let's get into it. So let's talk about what's really happening on production lines today. On a good day, everything flows smoothly. On a normal day, a tiny thing, one crooked part, one missing screw, one foreign object becomes a big interruption. And those issues usually get caught after they've already caused downtime, scrap, or a QA fire drill. It doesn't help that manual inspections are inconsistent, slow, and expensive. Vision systems are often rigid, hard to configure, and require experts. And scaling across lines and cameras requires custom integrations every time. All of this leads to more rework, unpredictable quality, and teams constantly playing catch-up instead of actually improving the process. Plainsight's Filters flips this whole situation around. Instead of reacting to problems at the end of the line, we catch them the moment that they happen. The model learns what normal looks like based on the real environment. Lighting changes, no problem. Different product variants, totally fine. Multiple cameras, bring it on. And because it all runs inside our Plainsight framework, every part of the process is modular. Swap a model, tweak pre-processing, add a custom trigger, no need to retrain everything or rebuild pipelines. It's flexible, scalable, and actually built for the chaos of real factory floors, not just perfect lab conditions. All right, let's jump into the fun part, the demo. Here's the uncut raw video feed from a production line. Everything passes through an inspection zone, and everything looks normal. Now here's the trained video running through Plainsight Filters. Every frame gets compared to what the model knows is normal. Green box, full pass, no problem. But watch what happens here. There's an anomaly that comes into frame. Instantly the filter flags it. Red warning, loud and clear, you cannot miss it. From there, you can pick the response. Trigger an alert, pause the line, tag the frame, ship it to your NVR, whatever fits your workflow. The best part is that anomaly detection is just one piece of what the system can do. You can chain multiple filters together to detect part counting, throughput tracking, yield and scrap estimation, predictive maintenance triggers, foreign object detection, and assembly verification. Basically, if a camera can see it, Plainsight can help you make it useful. So why does all of this matter? Because it shifts your entire operation from reactive to proactive. You get higher throughput with fewer stoppages. You cut scrap, reduce defects, and avoid expensive rework. You make decisions faster with real-time alerts. You get consistent quality across teams and shifts. You get scalable visibility across your entire facility, line to line, camera to camera. In short, Plainsight turns every camera into a reliability engine. And it gives your team back the time they should be spending improving the process instead of chasing down problems all day. If you're interested in learning more about Plainsight Filters, check out OpenFilter at openfilter.io to explore our open source filters. And if you have a use case that needs enterprise support, we'd love to hear from you.